Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to change the ticket layout view, set the default view, and set the ticket page count. I will also explain how to customize the ticket grid view and how to sort tickets. First, let's look at how to change the ticket layout view in BoldDesk. There are two types of views available to list the tickets on the ticket listing page. The first is a card view, which is the default, and the second is a grid view. You can change the default ticket layout view from the Personal Settings page through the Change Default option. Here, you can select a ticket layout view from the drop-down list to set it as the default ticket layout view. You can also select the number of tickets to list per page from the Ticket Page Count option. Click Update to save and reflect your selections. You can also set predefined default ticket filters or views as the default ticket view by clicking the More Options icon next to the default ticket filters and selecting Set as Default. The selected filter will be updated in the Personal Settings page, and tickets will be listed based on the filter or view selected. If you would like to know about how to create a view and save it, follow the link provided in the card above or in the description below. If you wish to change the default ticket views for the entire organization, navigate to the Agent Portal settings in the Admin module. Then, click the Tickets tab and set the ticket preferences. Now, let me show you how to customize the grid view ticket layout. You can customize the fields shown in the grid by using the column chooser. Click Apply after selecting the fields to display in the grid view ticket layout. You can reorder the fields by using the Reorder option, which lets us drag and drop the columns to the desired position. Click Apply to reflect the new field order in the grid view. Next, let's see how to sort the tickets in the ticket listing page. By clicking the Sort Tickets option, you will find sorting options like Created, Modified, Replied, Response Due, Resolution Due, Priority, and Status. There is also an option to sort the tickets in ascending or descending order. And that's it. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.